If you have an RV, you will undoubtedly run into this situation at some point where the rubber seal that seals the flush mechanism will go bad and you will start to leak water. And of course, if it's leaking water, if it's allowing water to go down the drain, it will allow odors to come up the drain. So it's certainly something that has to be fixed, actually replaced. There are two major types of RV toilets on the market. One is Dometic, the other one is Thetford. From what I understand, the seal in a Dometic toilet can be easily replaced. Sometimes you can just do it, like plug it in right here, press it down, and it when you do the lever, it will kind of seat itself. With a Thetford, which is what we have to take the toilet off. So that's what I'm going to do today. Again, from what I understand, it's a fairly easy process. Only takes about 15 minutes. So we're going to do that today.
Den Toys, we're the Den Toys, we're a silly RV family. We like to make fun of almost every little thing we see. Let's drive our motorhome down the road. We both have Jeep Wranglers as our code. When you see the Den Toys, watch out for the golf carts and the loud parts. Let me get all done. Hello, let's go. You silly boy.
And we have the Thetford replacement part. Actually comes with two seals. So not only is the seal inside the toilet, but then the bigger seal, this one here at my thumb, this goes at the bottom, seals it under the toilet where it attaches to the floor. So probably a good idea to replace both. If one's going bad, the other one's probably not far behind. So from what I understand from the research that I've done is we do have to take these bolts off, and there's the other one. And you know, as you surely own an RV because you're watching this, you know that space is at a premium. Things are very tight, and you know how we're going to get in here and maneuver around all these things. We have to unhook these hoses. I have no idea if you can see anything or not. But this is, the difficulty that we're going to face today is to disconnect all these things, get this toilet out of here so we can replace this seal. But again, tight quarters, not going to be easy, but we'll get to it. Who tightened this thing? All right, so the nuts are off, and just a 1/4 inch. Used the ratchet, but now we have some movement, so I should be able to take this off of here, at least move it, because there are hoses connected in the back, so I can't just pick it up and move it. Just gonna have to kind of get this out gently till we see what we have. Okay, so first of all, I have to loosen the water line here. There's no slack in this, so this is going to have to come off before I can even lift the toilet up. This is the sprayer hose, so obviously there's a lot more slack in that one. So, but I can't do this one-handed, so we're going to have to turn off the video as I do this. Who tightened this thing? Arnold Schwarzenegger? Jeez, oh man! So next thing is removing these bolts that hold the top of the toilet onto the base of the toilet. These are 3/8 inch for our toilet. Oh my God. This was supposed to be an easy f***ing job. Oh my God. The hell's this doing in here? Well, it's holding water. That was a piece of cake.